Hi, boys and girls. Hopefully you found my video that I did for you the other day about addition helpful. So I wanted to make another quick video for you today to help you with another math skill that we've been working on, which is subtraction. So again, the other day was addition, which was all about taking two numbers, putting them together and making a bigger number, a larger number. Subtraction, when we are subtracting something, we are taking it away. So we are going to be taking numbers away from that number and coming up with a final smaller number to end with. And that is what subtraction is. We come up with a smaller number, a number that is less, we take away. So I wanted to again show you some of the tools that we have to help us with subtraction. We have our number line. And again, today I have some blue circles here that I'm going to use as counters. Don't forget though, anything can be used for counters, anything that you might have around the house. So let's get started with some subtraction practice. So the first thing I want to ask you is, when we're talking about subtraction, I already told you it means taking away, coming up with a smaller number. What does the symbol look like for subtraction? What does it look like and what is it called? Good. This is what it looks like, and this is called our minus sign. So whenever you're looking at that one straight line in a math problem, you know that we're looking at a minus sign and we're talking about subtraction. So let me think of a subtraction problem for us today. Okay, let's start with the number 5. So I've got 5 minus. So 5 minus, that means I'm going to be taking away. Let's see. I'm going to take away 2. 5 minus 2. And you know, with all of our addition or subtraction problems, we need to finish it up with an equal sign. So 5 minus 2 equals, what? Not sure. So let's try and use some of our tools. So just like the other day, we also can use our fingers to help us with subtraction sometimes. Don't worry about using your fingers. It is a helpful tool for you to use in kindergarten to do addition and subtraction. So let's get started. So we always start with our first number here, which is 5. So everyone put up 5 fingers. And then minus means that we're taking away. And how many are we going to be taking away? 2. So you've got 5 fingers up. Take away 2 fingers, which means just fold down 2 fingers. And how many fingers do you have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So our fingers helped us understand that 5 minus 2 equals 3. Very good. Awesome. Let's jump up to the number line and do our same problem using the number line. Now, just like with addition, we are always starting on the number line using the first number in our math problem. So for today, our first number is 5. So we're going to start on the number line up here with the number 5. Now, how many times are we going to be jumping on the number line? Same thing as with addition, this second number is what tells us how many times to jump on the number line. So today our second number is 2. Now I have one more question for you before we start jumping. Should I be jumping to this way? Or should I be jumping to this way? Remember, today we're talking about subtraction. So we want to end up with a smaller number because we're taking away. So to come up with a smaller number, we need to be jumping this way on the number line. Now, that's different from the other day when we did subtraction. I'm sorry, not subtraction, addition. Addition, we want to come up with a bigger number. So we jumped this way towards the bigger number. But again, today is all about subtraction, and you should be jumping this way to smaller numbers. Okay, let's get jumping. So again, we're starting at the 5 minus 2. 1, 2 jumps. Awesome. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Great job. Same answer that we got when we were doing our fingers. 5 minus 2 is 3. And last one is, let's see how we can use our counters to help us with this math problem. So I've got 1. Oh, that's not working. Hold on a second. Let's go back this way. Okay, so I've got 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little messy, sorry. And 5. Good. Okay, so we've got 5 counters. 5 minus. So how many do we need to take away for this problem? 2. Very good. So to take away, you can either maybe erase them, or what I find is easier is just cross them out. Make a big X on them. So you know you're taking 1, 2 away. So how many counters do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Another way for us to say 5 minus 2 equals 3. Awesome work. So we used fingers, we used number line, and we used counters to help solve that subtraction problem. Awesome. Hopefully that's helping. Let's do one more, and we're going to make it a little bit bigger this time. Okay, let me erase all this so we can start again. Okay, let me think of a bigger problem. Okay, now I'm going to do one that makes it real big, so we're not going to be able to use our fingers. So we're going to use our number line and our counters. So let's do 12. Remember, we're subtracting, so we need a minus sign. 12 minus 4 equals. Good. 12 minus 4. Now that's tricky. So we don't have 12 fingers, so we're not going to use our fingers for this one. So let's jump right up to the top to use the number line. So what number are we starting with at the number line? Good. We are going to start with the number 12. We always start with the first number in our problem. So we are going to start here at the number 12. Now, how many times are we going to jump on the number line? Good, we're jumping 4 times. We always jump on the number line the amount of times for the second number. And we know we want a smaller number. We're going to end up with a smaller number because we're subtracting. So we want to jump this way 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. 12 minus 4 equals 8. You got it. Okay, now real quickly, we're going to go over and use our counters. So I think I have 12 counters altogether, 12 counters. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. That worked out perfectly. So all of these here, I have 12 counters. That's awesome. How many do I need to take away? 4. Good. So let me cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. So 12 minus these 4 equals how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Again, 12 minus 4, our counters helped us figure out it is 8. Just like the number line helped us figure out also 12 minus 4 equals 8. Awesome work. I hope this video helped you. Keep watching it. Keep practicing with your number lines and your fingers and your counters and any tool that helps you. Good job, boys and girls. Have a good one.